Hey guys, welcome. Eric Roberts, and today we're doing What a Beautiful Name. This is the Songbook session. We're going to be editing this, and I can already see by looking at this chart, it's going to need a little bit of editing. It's going to need a lot of editing. And now we have a visitor. Who is it?
Hello.
Hello, visitor head. Okay, so you're welcome. Oh, don't be spraying that in here. That is a spray fan. Let's keep the spray fan water fan away from the computer, okay? That's spray fan water fan. It's hot out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Say hi to people. Oh, and Augie just started his own YouTube channel. Oh, the camera's up there. And it's Augie Craft, his own channel. So we're doing What a Beautiful Name. And then remember, you can get these charts. You can join the website and get the charts, or you can buy the songbook when it comes out. Check the links in the description. But the first 7 days is $1. Okay, all right. See you, buddy. I'll be done when I'm done, and I'll come out. Okay, you want this? Yeah, don't leave that. See ya. All right, so remember you can get it for $1, and then this. Welcome to the studio. This is the studio, and I'm going to be editing this. So, 1 beat per chord. Really great song, and this chart. I think I'm going to have to spread out this stuff. So this one could be a little bit longer. I do need to get this finished right. So, you were the word at the beginning. Okay, 1. You were the word at the beginning, and one with God Most High. Yeah. So this really starts out before the lyrics. So I like to do that with this, and then I like to have these spread out a little bit. We're the word at the beginning. So there's 4. Spread those out. One with. This is 2 beats. This is 2 beats, and this is 4 beats. Okay. Lord Most High. Okay, yeah. So it's the same, probably the same. So I'm going to copy this down here, and then it goes same things like your hidden glory in creation, and that one's going to be on creation. This is kind of nice for you guys to see. And now revealed in you are Christ. See what I just did? I copied that one thing there. So if you're in my theory sessions, you'll understand these are all patterns. These are all patterns, okay? And they'll probably repeat. So once I get these done, you'll see this E minor, D, and C repeats also in the other section too. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. That's going to be right on is. The name of Jesus. Oh, I keep putting my hands on the wrong chord. That's hilarious. The name of Jesus. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. Name of Jesus Christ. So that should be Jesus Christ, my King. So that's 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then also, if you looked at that pattern again, it's going to repeat that. So I can actually just take these, and I can put these where they go there, and then I just line them up. But a beautiful name it is, nothing compares to this. There on D. What a beautiful name it is the name of Jesus. And we don't need Jesus to be separated, probably. Okay. So let's do the chorus. That way you can get the chorus. It's a little high for me, whatever. I could tune my guitar down a half step and I'd probably feel a little happier about this. Or I could just let's just put a capo on and drop it down. I don't know. This song, in the key of G, let's see if we can go down like this. You were the word at the beginning. Okay, we did all that. One with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation. Oh, see, that's what I think. I think I like this to E minor here. Okay? So like, your hidden glory in creation. And I know they do that on the records. I'm not going to do that in this version. So it'll just be E minor. Your hidden glory in creation. are revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. I can back this up even more. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. Well, that sounds nice on my guitar. So I'm on capo 8, which is kind of high. What a beautiful name it is. And nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Nothing compares. Now, you noticed on your Hidden Glory, I used an E minor, but you could use a G. G and E minor can be switched around, but if you use the E minor, then we get a little bit of a cool minor sound. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. All right, and then this is the same thing. Obviously, this chart was done and not really fixed. So we got verse, we got bridge, you have no rival. Oh wow, this is a big chart. Like, this is a lot of stuff. Let's see here. So put that there. So it goes like this. You didn't want, and you always strum this before you sing. That's why I like to break that out. Like, you didn't want heaven without us. So Jesus, you brought heaven. So Jesus, you brought heaven down. That's right. And then E minor again. I think we're going to go like this. My sin was great, your love was greater. I don't know. I kind of like that. Maybe I should do that. Should go like this. Your sin was great, your love was great. Your sin was great, your love was greater. Yeah, I kind of like that. I'm going to make that happen. Your sin was great, your love was greater. So there's really a D there. So it's 3 and then 1. Your hidden glory in create. So it's like your sin was great, your love was greater. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's really what they do. And on the I think if you're playing for real, you would do E minor. You'd walk up. You go like, your sin was great. My sin was great. My sin was great. Your love. My sin was great, your love was greater. So it's a D/F sharp and it runs up. So my sin was great, your love was greater. But we're not going to do that for this book because of the simplicity of it. My sin was great, your love was greater. And what could separate us? So I don't know why that's what could separate us now. Okay. What could separate us now? Okay. And then back up with the chorus. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. And nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. And now we have an instrumental. And it's like, is this the instrumental? So E minor. I'm looking at that like, what? I'm going to leave that for now. I'm not really sure. But C, D, E minor, B minor. Okay, C, D. And I'm going to take this out and just put times 2. So that'll be easier for you to read. And I'm going to spread these out too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spread that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spread that out. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to leave the B minor in there for now. It just makes more complication for you as a beginner, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it in because this songbook is going to have some songs with B minor. So we could make it a G if you're having a hard time with that. Just make it a G, but I'm going to leave that in there for now and maybe make that decision later. And death could not hold you. the veil tore before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. Yeah, I remember that, and that don't do a bar chord. Okay, I do remember that, and I think we're going to have to leave that in there so it makes sense. Death could not hold you. The veil tore before you. Before you. You silenced the boast of sin and then grave. The heavens are roaring. The praise of your. We know these chords go where. This is great if you guys are trying to learn how to do chords and trying to learn how to do. Okay, so let's sing that. And the B minor is easy. I teach it in the course, so don't worry about doing a hard, tough B minor. Death could not hold you. The veil tore before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring, the praise of your glory. For you are raised to life again. Yeah, again, I think you go to B minor. For you are raised to life again. You have no rival. Yeah, see, I think you're going to go to B minor here, and you're going to keep going to B minor, and you're going to keep doing that until you have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you. So I'm going to have to get this out, bridge 2. I have to cut this out there. Maybe just put that there, bridge 2. It's kind of hard to squeeze all this in. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you. And it's a B minor, and it's like that until we get to the end. We'll go to the D, so it's like so then it makes sense. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. And I believe that's when we go to the D, okay? Above all names. So that part we go, you have no rival, and you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, and yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. There you go. So that's it. So you just stay on the B minor. It gives it that weird sort of minory thing until you get to that last one. Then you do D. Whatever name it is, no name it is. The name of, we're going to copy this off here. Name of, patterns again. Jesus Christ, my King. And then same pattern here. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. Look at that. I messed the spacing up. We need more space on this page. People, we need more space. How am I going to do this? Get some space here. The problem is I want this all to be on one chart, one sheet. So that's how that has to be. We probably can bring this back down to here. Actually, take that back down. We probably can bring this down here, bridge 2. Just put it like this. Bridge 2, bridge 1, bridge 2. And we're going to get more space because the one page to me is bridge 1. Okay. So this is, I'm just going to call it BR1 and BR2. Bridge 1. And you should know what a bridge is by now. You have no rival. You have no equal. You are ever. Now and forever, God, you reign. There you go. Okay, so we get down the bottom, and we've got it. Lion and the Lamb is next, which is an awesome song. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. Wow, I like this song. Powerful name it is. Nothing can stand again. What a powerful name it is, the name of Jesus. basically 2 out here and 2 here and 4 here. Lots of stuff you can do with this. I think it's pretty simple. Let me make sure that there's not any major typo errors. This is the final edit. I'm glad, by the way, I'm looking at my microphone. By the way, I'm glad that I edited this because this chart was kind of a mess. It is, what a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ my King. So on that verse, you go like, you were the Word at the beginning, and one with God the Lord Most High. The E minor. Your hidden glory in creation. That's beautiful. And now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. Beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Okay, so I just did all that fancy picking. Sometimes I just want a fancy pick. Sometimes I want a fancy pick. My mom was always like, quit fancy picking that stuff, boy. Just play that song like you're supposed to play it. I'm just kidding. She never said that. All right. This is it. This is the chart. Now, if I can't remember, have I mentioned this in the beginning? Maybe I did. But you can actually get the chart in the membership, the full chart, or you can wait till the songbook comes out. The songbook might be out now. Check in the link in the description of this video if the songbook is out. It's the 2020 Worship the King Play and Sing 4-chord worship songbook. But you can always get it right now. Even if the songbook's not out, I'm releasing these one at a time for the next 30 days. And now you can get first 7 days for $1. So you can go in there and grab some charts, check out some of our courses. I got all these courses. Oh my goodness. All these courses are for you, so you can get all these courses all for the same price. So just get in there and get going. And when you are ready and you think, man, I want to use this for my whole church, go over to Worship Band Builder, check it out, because you can do all of this, all of these bundles for your entire church. God bless you guys. I'll see you around. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe to it, make a comment, say something cool in the comment section, because that's just selfishly me wanting to hear you talk to me, and also it helps the YouTube channel, because YouTube goes, oh wow, that must have been amazing, because everybody's commenting. So if you thought it was good, if you like this format, which is kind of a new format, the format of me getting phone calls every time, then just say, yeah dude, I like the format. See you next time.